Hey, it's Similolu here, and in this video, I'm going to go over the newest cryptocurrency on the block, SafeMoon. We'll look at what it is, what the white paper says about it, what social media is saying about it, and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be in a better position to decide whether SafeMoon is truly safe to invest in. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So right here, we're on the Safemoon website. Now, right at the bottom, we see some live data, which is data as of the 22nd of April, 2021. So we can see the value of the actual Safemoon coin with all these decimal numbers in front of it, the total number of holders of the Safemoon token, which is over 1 million holders, the total liquidity value, its market cap at $2.6 billion, and the total number of coins burned. The Safemoon protocol essentially lays out a set of rules that determine how its data will be transferred from one system to another. Here, the protocol has been set out as using static rewards, LP acquisition, and manual burn. Safemoon stress that automatic liquidity pool is their secret sauce, so this basically sets them apart from the way other cryptocurrencies are set up. So what makes SafeMoon so unique? On the Safemoon Whitepaper, they say that they aim to counteract the problem of high APY liquidity provider farms that don't allow easy access for newcomers to the space. They also aim to use the idea of static rewards, which means making the rewards conditional upon the volume of the token being traded. In doing this, they hope to remove the pressure on the token that could occur when tokens are sold. As well, the white paper notes that their reflect mechanism aims to provide incentives for Safemoon holders to hold their tokens over the long term, or to hodl. And so any good cryptocurrency that's worth its salt must have a good roadmap. Well, right now it appears that there are a lot of investors that have decided to take a wait and see approach as to whether to dive into Safemoon investment or not. Safemoon, however, are keeping their plans rolling by saying in the next quarter they will be rolling out exchange functionality for non-fungible tokens, that is, NFTs, as well as debuting an educational app. In the third quarter of 2021, Safemoon also say that they will start fundraising for listing on some more well-known exchanges, such as Coinbase and Binance, and even Kraken. So one of the major drawbacks to investing in Safemoon is that they're not easily accessible because they're not available on the more popular exchanges. So there are just questions that are being asked all around the net about the authenticity of Safemoon as a viable cryptocurrency token. One of the biggest hurdles right now to investing in Safemoon is a lack of adequate, dependable, and credible information. As investors wait for clear information about the token, now this is not financial advice, but it is important to approach this red hot crypto with caution. Now, right on the website, here are some issues that have been raised concerning the authenticity or the legitimacy of Safemoon. So here we have someone called What's G, and he's quite dissatisfied with his experience in purchasing Safemoon. He says, I quote, says that it was transferred to a wallet from my MetaMask to another wallet with no idea how and why. The wallet that took my token is right here. No idea whose wallet this is and how it was transferred a couple of hours later. Does anyone have any idea? The receiving address is this. And so we don't know whether this is an issue with MetaMask or whether an issue with Safemoon. So at this point, I will just say, proceed with caution. Now we have another dissatisfied customer named Dan Booker123, and let's see what he has to say. A couple of days ago, almost all my Safemoon tokens disappeared from my MetaMask. I did not transfer them. According to bscscan.com, they were transferred to the Safemoon protocol contract address as listed. I did not make this transfer. How can the coins have gone back to the main contract address without me actioning it? Somebody bothers to answer him because it's a scam. I've written a blog post about that. So basically, I would say, again, do your own research and proceed with caution. Once you've done your own research, and you're still ready to buy, then these are the instructions on Safemoon's website that tell you how to purchase Safemoon.